Let's take a look at the next set, which is the Freya Gouache blender. This blender is not very pigmented. We will use it with the other brushes. For example, we have already applied another brush, and then we will use blender afterwards. The blender can also be used with the brush tool. Or you can use it with the smudge tool too. It depends on which one you switch to. Let's take a look at blender 1. How will it look when we blend it? Blender 1 is a little rough. When we blend it, it will have a rough texture. From the beginning, it was a contrasting color. But after using this brush, it will make our smooth color look rougher. And it has more of a paper or wall texture. It's something like this. It's cool. It will turn out something like this. Look at the next one, blender 2. For this one, there's a noticeable texture. I think the mark is bigger than the first one. This one is rougher. It depends on what situation you want to use it. It's up to you. It might not blend very well, but the texture is very clear. Okay. The next one is blender 3. Let's have a look. This will be like the first one, but it will give a bit more blur. When we blend the color, it will pull the color more than the first blender. Observe it. It's softer. That's cool. When we have a color gradient and use this blender, it's like abstract art. It's very like the texture of a wall. The next one is the fourth one. This one will also give a similar texture, but it will pull the color a lot. For this one, we don't paint it so much, we just dab it, lightly paint it, only that, and it blends a lot. Each brush is different. Some will pull a lot of color, some will pull a little bit. This one pulls the color a lot. Blender 5 will make the color blur. It will not have a texture, it will not have roughness. This one will blend the color smoothly. It's like this. If you use a bigger brush, it will blend out like this. It will be smooth. The sixth one will give texture. This one will pull a lot of color too. Like this. You can play with your hand weight. If we press the pen hard, it will pull a lot of color, but if we relax our hands, the color will gradually fade. Try playing with your hand weight. With all the brushes, you should try to play with your hand weight. It will give more darkness or lightness of the color, or it will give a different feeling. The last one is Blender 7. This one is very smooth. This one is like it's wet. It gives a feeling of wet color. It's like mixed wet paint. It will smoothly blend color. It's different. From seeing that the paint looks dry in the beginning, the edges were completely smooth. When you blend the color with this, it turns into a wet color. Mix it. It's fun. This set is also my favorite. Okay, there are 7 different brushes in total. You can play around and find your favorite one. The next set will be the rolling brush set. What is it? Let's check it out.